I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a tidy Tuesday. Martis and Dornan. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School's Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: which breed is popular with people who are typically allergic to dogs? Is it the Poodle, the German Shepherd, the Chihuahua, or the Basset Hound? As always, drop your answer in the box below and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.